Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on the development of intelligent systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as perception, reasoning, learning, and decision-making. AI systems can be designed to perform specific tasks, such as recognizing faces in an image, or they can be more general, such as a virtual assistant that can carry out a variety of tasks. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that involves the development of algorithms that allow systems to automatically learn from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed, machine learning algorithms use data to make predictions or decisions. The more data a machine learning algorithm is exposed to, the more accurate its predictions and decisions become. There are several types of machine learning algorithms, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset, where the correct outputs are provided. The algorithm then uses this data to make predictions about new, unseen data. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is not provided with labeled data and must instead find patterns or relationships in the data on its own. Reinforcement learning involves training a system through trial and error, where it receives rewards or punishments based on its actions. Machine learning algorithms are used in a variety of applications, including image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, and predictive modeling. They are also used in industry to solve complex problems, such as optimizing supply chains and detecting fraud. In summary, AI and machine learning are rapidly changing the way we live and work, and they have the potential to revolutionize many industries. Understanding the basics of AI and machine learning is becoming increasingly important as these technologies become more prevalent in our daily lives.